Hi there, welcome back. We continue to learn PHP and magic methods. Today we will look at the next magic method called construct. Enough talking and let's start. Imagine we have two classes cat and dog extending a parent class animal. In other words, the classes cat and dog inherit the class animal. Create the magic method construct in the class animal. Starting from PHP H.0 version, the method construct cannot have a return the type declaration. This means we should not declare a return type for the constructor in our class animal. Add a message output to the construct method. Create instances of class cat and dog. Let's run our script. Can you see it? The method construct was executed 2 times. So, the class method construct was called every time we created the instance of this class. Let's override the class animal magic method construct in the cat class. I know that overriding class methods is not always a good practice. In practice, overriding class methods violates the single responsibility principle, and it can also lead to errors in the project. You must be careful when using the construct method. I'll show you an example. Imagine that in the parent class animal, in the construct method, we log the creation of new class object. Then in the child class cat, I override method construct. Let's run our script. Where is my log? Can you see it? If logging were done to a file or a database, then I would break the functionality of the project. For this reason, in programming, methods do not override but extend the methods of the parent class using the parent keyword. It is a good practice in coding. Let's do it. Let's run our script. Can you see it? We have not violated the functionality of the project. Okay, where is the magic method construct used? Almost everywhere. This is a very useful and powerful method. Without it, it is impossible to imagine the development of scalable and easily supported project. Let's imagine we have a class that should interact with the cat and dog classes. For example, a person walk helper class will walk animals. During the creation of an object of the person walk class, we will pass object to the constructor method. It may be the object cat or object dog. Inside the construct method, using the instance of operator, we will determine the class of the passed object. And depending on the class, call the necessary method. Thus, our code becomes clean, easy to read, and easy to scale in the future. When we have 50 different animals, one class with one method will be responsible for their walking. That's all. Hope I was helpful. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next lessons.